Yes, man, here we are at the Jewel at the airport. It's a beautiful park inside the airport. You haven't seen something like this before in Singapore. So I'm going to take you there. You're going to see it now. It is beautiful with tranquil music. Can you believe this is an airport? This is the place to be, guys. You want to go to the airport, just drop here at the Jewel of Changi. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Indoor waterfall, people. Wow. Beautiful.